Some people get rich during recessions. When the economy crashes, most people panic, but a small group, they get richer. So what do they do differently? They don't panic sell. While others are dumping assets out of fear, smart investors stay calm and think long term. They buy when prices are low. Recessions put stocks, businesses, and assets on sale. The wealthy see opportunity where others see risk. They keep cash ready. Having savings or liquid money means they can invest when the market drops. No cash, no opportunity. They invest in skills and income streams. Instead of relying on one job, they build multiple sources of income, especially online or scalable ones. They think long term, not short term. Recessions are temporary, but wealth built during them can last decades. So while most people are waiting for things to go back to normal, the smart ones are quietly building their future. The real question is, what are you doing during tough times? Subscribe for more smart money strategies.